at Turbine. Woo! Hey guys, we're on our way to do our 8th and final client ambush at Restore Muscle Car, and I really shouldn't be doing this video while I'm driving, so we'll see you in a minute when we get there. Woo! Oh my gosh, we're here! Hey guys, and welcome to Restore Muscle Car. Woo! Can you tell us a little bit about what you do at Restore?
Yes, actually, we're a restoration shop just on the north edge of Lincoln, about a 15,000 square foot facility. We get cars in from all over the world, whether they be local or from coast to coast or even other countries. Pretty much, cars from the 30s on up to current, classic cars, muscle cars of any nature that need to be saved and have restoration work done, paint work done. Any mechanical, body, interior, any aspect of the car, we do everything in-house and stuff here.
Awesome. How has Turbine helped you?
Turbine's been a great company to work with, being that with us working with so many different people from across the world, and most of our clients are not local, we try to help not only represent ourselves very well to our current customers, but then also try to find new and existing customers, then update people on what we have going on here at the shop.
Thank you for taking the time to tell us about your business.
Thank you.